In this video, I want to share with you 20 Easter marijuana phrases and some free prompts that you can use for your merch on demand business, all for free. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 20 Easter marijuana phrases, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Friday, March 28th, 5:55 a.m. in the morning. And yesterday was actually kind of a rough day. I got killed with returns, but I did 32 sales, 12 returns. It was like almost like 25 bucks in returns, $57 in royalties. So kind of a rough day. It seems like there's always one day in the month where I just have a lot of returns. But anyways, no big deal. Today is a new day. Brighter days are ahead. But I mean, I can't really complain because the last few days have been actually really good. Like, I mean, look at this: 84, 115, 151, 103, 156, 92. So just in the last 7 days, I'm doing over $100 a day. But that's going to put me at 1,170 sales for the month and $2,218 in royalties for the month of March. And Etsy, or yesterday, even on Etsy, I had a pretty good day as well. So here's the month for Etsy, and you can see I did $157. It was 6 print-on-demand sales. I profit probably around 30-35%, so maybe made around like 50 bucks. So that's kind of cool, because if you have a bad day on merch and a nice day on Etsy, it doesn't hurt so much when you go to bed. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, now that we got the intro out the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. All right, so we got Easter coming up, and it actually lands on 4/20 this year. If you don't know what 4/20 is, it's basically a holiday for smoking marijuana. And so we're starting to see a lot of these Easter niches, cross niche with marijuana, getting some sales. So if we just jump on over here to Merch Dominator, go to Best Sellers, click on Newest. This is the way I like to find my trending niches. And we just type in Easter. We're going to see some examples of what I'm talking about. So right here we got Holy Smokes, it's Easter, with the bunny and the kind of marijuana smoke around the bunny. So that's one right there. Then we got another one right here, and these were just uploaded. Like this one right here was just uploaded March 26th, already getting sales. And then we got this one right here, Somebody's Baked with Easter 4/20 with the date, also just uploaded a few days ago. Here is another one right here, Somebody's Baked Easter. And there's, there's a lot of them, and then another one right here. So you can see that this niche is, trending, selling, and we're cross niching. That's one of the best recipes for success on merch on demand, at least in my experience. And so what I did is I came up with 20 phrases and 3 prompts that you can download for free on my PayHip shop. So it's this one right here, 20 Easter marijuana phrases. The link is in the description. I'm also running a 50% off sale for the end of the month. So if you want maybe some like more Easter prompts or maybe some like marijuana prompts, you see you get all these prompts right here for 50% off. If you're looking for a deal, I got like my monthly prompts. You can get like 100 prompts for May or April for half off. And then these bundles right here, which is the best deal, where you get 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. And you actually get this as a bonus for free if you decide to sign up on my SKOOL community. But let's go ahead and take a look at those phrases and some of the prompts. So right here, this is what the word file looks like. Just move it over here towards the middle. And the way that I broke it down is into 2 main phrases. So I've noticed with Easter, there's 2 main phrases that sell very well, and it's a play on words, and it's some bunny, which is a play on words. So instead of saying somebody, it's some bunny. You got rabbits with Easter. That's why it makes sense. Play on words. And then every bunnies. And so instead of saying everybody, it's every bunnies, and then you put the, the phrase after. So let's go ahead and take a look at these ones right here. So we got Somebody's Baked as F. Somebody's Baked AF, Somebody's High on Life and other stuff, Somebody's Hiding Edibles in the Eggs. That's a funny one because in America, you do these egg hunts. Somebody's Rolling More Than Eggs, some bunnies got the munchies, some bunnies celebrating the high holy day, somebody's feeling extra happy. That's a good one right there. It's like 2 play on words. So instead of saying somebody's feeling extra happy, it's somebody feeling extra happy. Somebody's blazing for Jesus. So we're cross niching marijuana, Jesus, and Easter all in one. Somebody's too lit to hunt eggs. some bunnies spreading dank vibes. So 10 really good phrases right there that you can use. Now you do have to check these for trademark. That's why I put this disclaimer at the top here. But right here, the next 10 is going to be every bunny's phrases. So every bunny's high today. That's a good one. Every bunny's got the giggles. Every bunny's munching on more than candy. Every bunny's vibing this Easter. I like that one. Every bunny's chilling in the garden. Every bunny's rolling up something special, because you roll up joints, when you're rolling a joint or a blunt. Every bunny's got that good. That's another funny one. Every bunny's floating higher than eggs. Every bunny's lit, spiritually and literally. I like that one. It's kind of, up to date with like that lit slang word. Every bunny's celebrating the rise and the high. And one tip that I would give when you design for this, you want to look at these other designs, and pretty much all of them have an Easter bunny. So I would recommend, doing something kind of similar like this. If you want, you can make your own designs or just use ideogram. And if you guys haven't seen yet, ideograms 3.0 is off the charts. Really liking the designs. Actually, let me just go ahead and share with you the prompts that I made for my 3 favorite phrases from that list. So just going to jump on over here to ideogram and hear what the 3 prompts, or hear what the 3 designs look like from the prompts from the word file. Because if you scroll down, you're going to see there's 3 more prompts right here. So this one just kind of came off the top of my head. Hoppy 420. I think this is a really good one because it's another play on words. Instead of saying happy 420, it's hoppy 420. Rabbits, they like to hop around. That's why it makes sense. Then we got some bunnies got the munchies. That was from this list right here. Out of the first 10, somebody's got the munchies right here, number 5. You can see this turned out really nice. It's got that rainbow in the background. You got the eggs, you got the marijuana, and then you got the bunny looking all stoned. And then this last one right here, some bunnies baked as F. So that's a really good one, kind of like a hippie bunny smoking his joint with the Easter eggs. You got the retro in the background, but look how nice these designs are coming out with Ideogram 3.0. Comment below, let me know what you think about Ideograms 3.0. I always was saying that, Ideogram keeps getting better and better, and they really have just outdone themselves this time. So I'm really liking the new Ideogram 3.0. And I'm actually making a Word file of 100 prompts that will be trending in June. And they're coming out really nice, so I'm excited to share with that to you. Probably going to be next week or so. But those are the 20 phrases and the 3 prompts that you can download for free on my PayHip shop. All I ask is that you just give this video a like. And if you want, consider subscribing to my channel if you want like other free goodies. I have a bunch of other free stuff here as well. It's like 100 marijuana crossover niche ideas. I actually have a lot of marijuana stuff because we got 420 coming up, Easter, cornhole. Just take a look, find some stuff that you might like. We got baseball that just started. So if you're interested, click on the link in the description. Now I want to share with you my SKOOL community. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically like a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. So if you're like struggling to get sales on merch on demand, you can't really figure it out, you want some guidance or a paid niche service, you might want to consider joining my SKOOL community. So here it is right here. If you click on the link in the description, you can actually watch the video. I give you an in-depth idea of all the bonuses, perks, and value that you get. But you can see right here, it's a private group, 36 members, only $24 a month. By me, Michael Vandervoort. And basically what you're going to get is you get daily profitable niches, both trending and evergreen. So every day I wake up and the first thing that I do is I put out these 4 niches that are trending and evergreen, and I also give you prompts to go with those niches as well. I never miss. I'm always on time, basically at right before 6 a.m. in the morning, standard time. So you're going to get those niches every day and prompts, trending, evergreen. And then you also get access to my classroom, which is right here, which is basically just a whole bunch of resources that you can use to become successful on merch on demand. Now, I've been on merch on demand for about 7 years, and if we just go right here to my stats, I'll just show you real quick. Here are my all-time sales. You can see I was always kind of just like an average merch on demand seller. I was making right around like $500 a month, unless it was like Christmas time, then it would bump up to like 1,000 or whatever. But I was always making, like right here, you're going to see like 400, 400, 400, 400, always right around that 400 to 600 mark. But then all of a sudden I figured out merch. And when I say that, I figured out what niches to get into. And I took those niches and I basically, put them together with design phrases that were selling and design styles, basically like a puzzle, put it all together. And you can see my sales just absolutely took off. This is a really cool graph right here. Look at that. just my sales just exploded, and my royalties as well. Now I'm doing anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So right here, 2,100, 2,500, 2,800, 3,000. This month I'm probably gonna do somewhere right around 26, 2,700, and my goal for this year is to actually do $5,000 a month on merch on demand. But back to school, we go here, we're going to see all the things that you get. Oh yeah, I was talking about the classroom. So I basically have just taken all my knowledge for the past, you can see 8 years here. That's how long I've been on merch, for 8 years. And I've just taken all of that and I've just put it all together in this classroom section. So I teach you how my A to Z prompt creation, how to write listings, my 3 design styles, 4 evergreen niches, and actually give you the PSD and the PNG files that I personally use, so you can use those as well. Just basically copy me, how I do my merch on demand ads, how to protect your merch on demand account. I also share with you 30 proven animal phrases, 30 proven food phrases, and I'm going to be adding a job and career ones. And then every month you're going to get my 100 prompts for April and for May. And then you get access to all my GPTs, and my members seem to really be liking this. This one right here is probably my favorite. You just pop in your design and it will actually spit you out a very high quality title, bullet 1, bullet 2, brand name, and description loaded with SEO. I also made one for Etsy as well for print on demand. I'm going to be making another one for Etsy as well for digital downloads. Then you got my t-shirt prompt creator. You get one for Amazon merch keywords, crossover. This is where I get all my crossover niche ideas. And then I'm starting to make these GPTs for specific niches. So for like Christianity and faith, teacher niche, military niche. I'm probably going to be adding a military one. And then and then here are those free bonuses I was talking about. So just for signing up, you get 1,000 evergreen niches. You also get 500 evergreen prompts. And then the more you engage, comment, like, and post, you actually get points, and the more points you get, you actually get access to these bonuses. So these are all my holiday prompts as well. So you just get a whole bunch of value. I'm trying to make this like a big hub of resources, so people always have resources on what to design for and to get sales on merch on demand. But it's not just for merch on demand. It's basically for all the print on demand, because I actually changed the name. First it was Mikey's Daily Niche Vault, then it was merch on demand. But I want to do kind of more broad merch on demand, because you can actually take these niches that I recommend to you every day, and you can use them for merch on demand, but you can also use them for Etsy print on demand. You can use them for digital downloads for Etsy. You can sell them on Redbubble, TeePublic. You can even sell them on Creative Fabrica if you wanted. All right, so just a lot of resources on how to make money in the internet with print on demand. That's going to be it, because I'm starting to talk for too long here. But this is going to be the video. Watch this video right up here. It's going to be about my SEO Keyword Vault GPT. But thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.